Okay guys, so I made a video explaining a few changes. I mean, we're really close. They were just like Excel tricks, Excel hacks we can call. My boyfriend told me first, I think so starting from the beginnings, you know, we have the beginning balance is correct, then the interest is correct. Then if we go to principal, we have to put is it this cell is a so the it's the same cell, so we just have to put dollar signs and before n and after before 46. So in the way the value it won't change or something like that. So anyway, and that's it for the ending balance is the same, you know. And for the for the beginning balance and the second month, he said that we have to put 048, which is this cell, because it's gonna go for if we drag down, if O is always gonna go to cell O, and it's not gonna go with the formula. So that's the big trick. And okay, you have any questions, you can just go back. And then we copy this, and then we drag down, blah 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 blah, blah. Okay, there you go. And then we got 0 here, J, and what was the other one? This is oh yeah, the minimum is 6,04 in 48. So it's right here, and it's correct. Great. And the same thing for the other one. So we have to do the same thing, you know, put the dollar signs here, and then and then here the same, we just put the cell, this one here. Okay, so we copy and drag down and close, and then it's 0, and it's supposed to 10,000 something. I think it's this one. Yeah, and this is it. No, that's the video. I hope you like it. Subscribe. No, just kidding. Yeah, I hope if you guys have any questions, well, I don't really know. He just explained me. Sometimes Excel just, you know, has some tricks, but we were doing really great. Thank you so much for help, and yeah, I hope you guys understand and got the answers. Please let me know. Okay, bye.